Filipino Tagalog has 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, and U. These vowels are all short, meaning they don't have a distinct, long, or short sound. How to pronounce the vowel. A, pronounced similarly to the A in father. E, pronounced like the E in bed. I, pronounced like the I in machine. O, pronounced like the O in go. U, pronounced like the U in rule. Filipino Tagalog has fewer consonants than English. Tagalog has approximately 16 consonants. Let's start by pairing the Filipino consonants with Filipino vowels. And the produced sound.
Letter B, B and A, ba. B and E, B. B and I, B. B and O, bo. B and U, boo. There's no letter C in Filipino. It is replaced by letter K. Letter K, K and A ka. K and E ki. K and I ki. K and O ko. K and U ku. Letter D, D and A da. D and E d. D and I d. D and O do. D and U do. Letter G, G and A ga. G and E ga. G and I gi. G and O go. G and U gu. Letter H, H and A ha. H and E, he. H and I, he. H and O, who. H and U, who. There is no letter J in Filipino alphabet. Letter L and Ala. L and Ile. L and Ile. L and Olo. L and U lu. Letter M, M and A ma. M and E me. M and I me. M and O mo. M and U mu. Letter N, N and A na. N and E ne. N and I ni. N and O no. N and U nu. There is a Filipino alphabet, NG. Combination of 2 letters, but represent 1 sound. It is pronounced as null.
Letters NG. NJ and A, nga. NG and E, ngi. NG and I, ngi. NG and O, ngo. NG and U, ngu.
Letter P, P and A pa. P and E p. P and I p. P and O po. P and U pu. Letter R, R and A ra. R and E re. R and I re. R and O ro. R and U ru. Letter S, S and A saw. S and E say. Sinai see. S and O so. S and U su. Letter T, T and A ta. T and E t. T and I t. T and O two. T and U two. Letter W and A wa. W and E we. W and I we. W and O o. W woo. Letter Y, Y and A yay. Y and E ye. Y and I ye. Y and O you. Y and U, you. There are no letters X and Z in the Filipino alphabet.